Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix MRI rent payment app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow these instructions carefully. So at here you have to press and hold to the app. Then you have to click on this I button. Okay. So it will open the app info section. So from here you have to scroll down and click on it here as storage. So at here you have to click on the clear data, just delete it. Okay, just click on clear data, delete it and open the app. If it's work, then fine. If it's not work with you, then you have to probably check for an update. So here you have to go to the Google search bar and then you have to directly search for the MRI rent payment app, and here you have to click on here and click on the update button and you can download the latest version. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.